us what you can do.
Okay. Rub the belly.
Primetime chewers.
Rub the belly is so good. And then we have to wrestle. Oh, we have to do wrestle. Wrestle, 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 wrestle. Oh, goodness gracious, some wrestle then. And then we rub the belly.
Oh my gosh.
You sorry. Oh, goodness gracious, there's some wrestle.
As you can tell, he is the size of a cat.
Wrestle, wrestle, wrestle.
Kitten.
A kitten.
Yes.
Come, Sheena. You're so cute. Say, I am destined for fame on YouTube.
Facebook, maybe.
Oh, we've got to show
put
y'all
him on
how. Have we
YouTube.
showed y'all how he kicks stuff out of the couch?
He kicks it.
Takes it. Go get him some cheers. Some Cheerios.
Buzzing.
Good. Show him how cute you are.